everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today is Saturday, December the 23rd of 2023. It is Christmas Eve, and I'm coming at you guys with our Kroger early ad preview. This is for the sale that's going to be beginning on Wednesday, December the 27th. This one is actually going to carry into the new year, so this will go through January the 2nd of 2024. That is crazy. Mega event should go longer than that, though. Typically, it's a 2-week sale, so that'll probably go another week at least. Sometimes it's 3 weeks, sometimes it's 2 weeks. We'll find out when the sale starts on Wednesday. But this is for the ad that's going to be running from December the 27th through January the 2nd of 2024. So, yes, we have a new mega event, and it's the crowd favorite. It's the buy 5 or more items, get $1 off of each item event, mix and match. This is such a great sale. I love when Kroger does this. Also, there are just some really good sales in this ad as well. So, I'm just excited to go over all of this with you guys, show you what is going to be starting at Kroger on Wednesday. And yeah, it's going to be great. So, without further ado, let's just dive right in. All right, so starting out here on the left, we have a deal on Tyson chicken. Buy one, get one free. Full line Tyson chicken sale. This should include the chicken thighs, the chicken drumsticks, all the different Tyson chicken breasts. Buy one, get one free. Mix and match what's of equal or lesser value. So you're going to want to make sure, let's say you want some chicken drumsticks and some chicken thighs. Those are going to be different prices per pound. You're going to want to make sure you do separate transactions. So one transaction with the drumsticks, one with the thighs. That way, buy one, get one free. It'll just end up making the cheaper one free. So you want to make sure you do, as close to value as you can to get the best bang for your buck with the buy one, get one free. $2.99 for the pork back ribs a pound, $8.99 a pound for the fresh Atlantic salmon fillets. Buy one, get one free on the Reina pasta or the sauce, as well as the Screamin' Sicilian pizza. We have 2 for $1 for avocados. That's a very good deal. Also 4 for $12 for Coke, Pepsi, or 7-Up, the 6-packs. Not a bad deal. And then $1.99 when you buy 4 or more of the Lay's, Sun Chips, or Fritos. This could be a really good deal on the ice cream, depending on what our Shopkick rebates are at the time on Wednesday, if we even still have them. But if we do, they're going to be buy one, get one free, and we have had some really good Shopkick offers. So starting Wednesday, if we still have those, that could be an excellent deal. Now let's get into the mega event stuff here. So like I said, it's a buy 5 or more, save $1 each, mix and match. You don't have to buy 5 of the same thing, just 5 of the items that are included. We're going to be having some General Mills cereals there for $1.99. We do have some Ibotta offers for $1 back on 2. So if you want to do that, you can get those for $1.49. So, not the worst, not the best, not the worst. Also, it looks like the Quaker cereals are going to be included in Pop-Tarts. We typically do have coupons of the Pop-Tarts on the Kellanova website, so that could be good. Mission tortilla chips for $1.99. Kraft shredded cheese for $1.99. We did have a rebate on Ibotta, but I think it's gone now. No, I still have it. It's for 10 cents back. So, it would make it $1.89. Whatever. And then we also have the Bertolli sauce for $1.99. And then the Chex Mix, that is $1.49 on the mega event. We will have to see if we get any rebates. It doesn't look like we have any on Ibotta right now, but we could get a rebate, so that would be really good. Then we're also going to be having Progresso soups. Those are going to be on it for $1.49. And then we have the family-size Wheat Thins, Ritz, and Chobani for $2.99. I would do the Ritz deal now. You can get the smaller packs for like $1.33, I believe is what it comes out to right now with our rebate. So it's a better deal to go ahead and get those now. But yeah, so now let's go ahead and look at these pages of mega event items. We've got a lot to look at. So we have the Hot Pockets, $1.99, as well as the Velveeta shells and cheese for $1.99. Also includes the Kraft Deluxe mac and cheese for $1.99. We do have a rebate on Ibotta for that for 25 cents back, so you could do that. Now, it's looking like I'm seeing the Outshine bars. They're going to be on it for $2.99. That's when we have a really good Shopkick rebate for right now, 600 kicks. So, I don't know. Will that still be there Wednesday? I hope so, because that would be a really great deal. Also, we have the Breyers ice cream for $3.99. We have the Toaster Strudels and the Yoplait yogurts for $1.99. We have Jif peanut butter. Also, some fruit snacks and Nature Valley bars or Fiber One bars for $1.99 on the mega event. Now, I do believe we have a 50 cent on 2, either a digital coupon or a rebate or something for the Nature Valley, so we'll have to see if that's there on Wednesday. I could be wrong, but I thought we did. $2.99 for the Sara Lee honey wheat or white bread, or Lance crackers or Pepperidge Farm rolls. That seems a little much. $2.49 for Wonder Bread and Pearl Milling pancake mix. That's actually a better deal right now with the weekly digital deal. You can get them for $1.99, so if you want that, do that now. $2.49 for the Kin's dressing, the Eggland's Best Eggs and Philadelphia cream cheese. $2.99 for Simple Truth hummus. Also the Stonefire non-dippers. $4.49 for a thing of Yoplait yogurt multi-pack and Kraft mac and cheese 5-pack. $6.49 for Coffee Mate creamer. $1.99 for the Ballpark hot dogs. $8.49 for the Kroger pork, chicken, or beef entrees. $3.99 for Doritos and Ruffles. Is that just the regular size bag? That's really, really lame. $4.99 for Hellmann's mayonnaise and family size Cheez-Its. $3.49 for the Nabisco family size Oreo cookies, the popcorners, or some Simple Truth like seltzer waters there. Also $4.99 for the Dots pretzels, Jack Link's jerky, or the Kroger breakfast sandwiches. $6.99 for some K-Cups there and the Celsius energy drinks. $6.99 for some Playtex products. $9.49 for Huggies, pull-ups, or the Good Nights there. And we have $7.99 for the Maxwell House coffee and hefty trash bags. Wonder why they bunched those two up together. It's kind of weird. And then we have $5.99 for Quilted Northern, Brawny, and Angel Soft. So I'm going to be real. At a first glance of the mega event, I'm not seeing a ton of matchups. But that's typically how it goes. A lot of times they're unadvertised. That's why the video on Wednesday will be extra important, because there will be a bunch of unadvertised deals that I will find and go over with you guys. But the ice cream deals are looking promising if our Shopkicks hang around that long. So we will see for that. All right, so let's talk about our weekly digital deals. So you have $6.99 for a thing of the Heritage Farm chicken wings, $3.99 a pound for the red cherries, $2.99 for, looks like a dozen fresh baked cookies. That's pretty good. $1.49 for the 2 liters of Coke, Pepsi, or 7-Up. $3.99 a pound for the Kroger thick cut bacon. 49 cents a pound for the cabbage is pretty good. But that's hilarious. They're having the Doritos, the regular size bag of Doritos they got in this ad on the Mega for $3.99. But you can get the party size of the weekly digital for $2.99. Like, that's insane. That's insane. $5.99 for the Red Bull energy drinks there. Also, we have Ice Mountain Water for $2.99. And the Simple Truth 18-count cage-free eggs for $2.99. That's pretty good for the cage-free ones. $1.99 for the Keebler crackers, the kettle chips, and the Snyder's pretzels there. $2.99 for, we already talked about that, Doritos. $5.99 for the Tyson frozen chicken. That's a pretty good deal because those can be upwards like $10. So that's a pretty good deal. And then $4.99 for DiGiorno pizzas, Farm Rich frozen appetizers, and also the Budweiser brand of appetizers as well. All right, so on to the fluff pages of the ad, more or less. Now, not all this is fluff. There might be some good stuff here. So let's look. We have a buy two, save an extra $10 on participating household, pet, or baby care products. Those are typically on the bulk sizes. We'll see what's included. I am seeing a couple of buy one, get one free. So buy one, get one free on the Duke's Mayonnaise, the Frank's Red Hot, and the Sweet Baby Ray's. That could be good. Also, I'm seeing on the right side a buy one, get one free on Planters Peanuts and on some meatballs. Now, on the Planters Peanuts, we have had Shopkicks for those. I think it is still available. So if it holds on till Wednesday, we might be able to get a really good deal on those. We'll have to see. They're still going to be having this one. So the Velveeta, the big block of cheese, $7.99. And if you buy that, you get a free thing of Kroger tortilla chips and 2 cans of Rotel for free. So if you need the Velveeta anyways, that's a pretty good deal. All right, made it to the end of the ad here. And I do want to mention this on the Kroger shrimp. So it is buy one, get one free on the shrimp platters. So that could be good. New Year's Eve, all that stuff. Feels so weird talking about New Year's Eve when we've not even had Christmas yet. But that can be good for New Year's Eve parties, all that fun stuff. But anyway, guys, that's going to be all I got for this video. I really hope y'all did enjoy this early ad preview. I'm excited for the mega event. It's going to be great. Come back Wednesday for our Kroger Deals video. I hope you guys have a very, very Merry Christmas. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching.